Hey guys, welcome to Ben's Ramblings, recipes, reviews, and ramblings. I've got something a little different today. I know I've been saying that a lot lately, but I think this is really exciting. I had an idea and I was finally able to put it together. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this. I posted it to a Facebook group that's Blackstone related and everybody seemed to like it. I am going to start a torture test on Blackstone griddles. And I've got a 36-inch griddle that I picked up. I'll show you in a minute. I picked it up off of Facebook Marketplace. It was a total steal. For the money, $100, I got a 36-inch Blackstone griddle. Yes, it's rusty. It's not that rusty, but it's rusty. I got almost a full propane tank with it and the fabric Blackstone cover for the 36-inch. A great deal for $100. It does have some issues. It's missing some brackets. It's got some rivets which have popped that I'll have to fix. And the top is rusty, but the rusty top is not an issue because I'm going to make it rustier. I'm going to take this top, I'm going to sand it down, I'm going to make it as rusty as possible, and we're going to test all the ways you guys suggest to take the rust off of this griddle. A potato with some kosher salt, a drill with a wire wheel or a grinder with a wire wheel, a sander, you name it, I'm going to try it. Let me know. Vinegar, somebody suggested ketchup on the Facebook group. So that's my idea. I'm going to show you the griddle quickly. I'm open to suggestions. I want a name. A lot of people had names that they suggested. Old Rusty is kind of the one that's sticking with me, but if you have something better, let me know. I've heard Griddlezilla, Griddlestein, a bunch of Frankenstein variations. And I need a name for this series. It's not going to be one video. This is going to be a series of videos, so give me a suggestion on a name. A couple suggestions that people on the Facebook group had were Blackstone Beatdown, which is kind of the one I like. They also said griddle games, almost like Hunger Games. So if you have any ideas for the series name, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know the name that you suggest down in the comments below, and I'll pick something out in the next couple episodes. Let me show you the griddle now, and we'll see how it looks. So it is a model 1825 griddle. It is missing the brackets for the propane tank, both top and bottom. You see there's the propane tank that came with it. I just tested it a minute ago, started right up. The top is a little rusty, but not too bad. Definitely the corners, this right side, definitely a little worse than the rest of it, but a little rust all around. The shelf on the right, it does not have the cutting board, so I'll end up either trying to purchase one or cut one out of an existing cutting board I have. You'll notice that it's kind of sprung upwards. There are two rivets which are underneath here. I don't know if you can see them there, but there's two rivets on the front and the back for the brackets which hold the shelf. Those have been popped, so I'll either put new rivets in there, or if they're too big, I'll just put some screws. So it does have the bottom shelf. It is nice and sturdy. Like I said, it started right up. So you can see it's a little bit of a mess, but I'm going to make it worse. I'm going to take it, I'm going to give it a rough sanding, I'm going to spray it with some salt water, get it nice and evenly rusty so that we can test all those rust removal techniques. The potato with salt, the grinder with the wire brush, vinegar, you name it. If there's more methods than I can kind of divide the griddle surface up into, we'll do it again. We'll clean it off, we'll make it rusty again, and we'll try the next set of techniques. Once we've gone through all the techniques to remove the rust, we'll see what the best technique is to season it. And this is a big discussion all the time on the Blackstone Facebook groups. Is bacon the best way? Is it flax, canola, olive, avocado, grapeseed? Adding onions, what does that do? Does that help? Does it hurt? Give me any other ideas you have. Again, let me know down below. What should I call the griddle? Old Rusty is kind of what's sticking right now, but if you've got a better idea, give me a heads up. What should we call the series? The Blackstone Beatdown? Do you like that, or should we go with something else? And how should I season, and how should I remove the rust on this thing? Let me know. Thanks for watching. If you like this idea, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified for any cooking videos I do or any of the torture videos that I'm going to do on this griddle. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.